Hello and welcome to this first lecture in this new section on cycle time reduction in this course on operations and supply chain management. So in this section, we'll help you learn about cycle time reduction, one of the important things that can help you become an excellent operations and supply chain management professional. And in this particular lecture, we will talk about two things. First, we will define what is the cycle time of products and services manufactured or sourced, and why reduce the cycle time of products and services manufactured and sources. What are the benefits? That's what we will take a look at in this lecture. So what do you think is the cycle time of products and services manufactured or sourced? Any thoughts? All right. So operations and supply chain cycle time, OSC cycle for short, is the total time it takes to produce and deliver one unit of product or service from the initiation of customer request to its completion. So everything, right from end to end, right? Now, what does this OSC cycle time include? It includes various stages such as order entry time, procurement of materials time, production time, inspection, packaging, order execution, and transportation and delivery. So that is what the operations is supply chain cycle time include, right? Right from customer entry to the customer product and service delivery through the transportation is the time taken. That is what is a cycle time. Now, question is why reduce the cycle time? What is the benefit? Does it improve your quality of product? Does it reduce your cost? Or what does it give you actually? What do you think? Okay, let's take a look at what are the things that you can get by reducing cycle time. So, reducing cycle time in the manufacturing or sourcing of products and services offers many strategic advantages, not only day-to-day or tactical. It offers many strategic advantages for business. Now, some of these advantages are a shorter cycle time often leads to faster delivery of products and services, which can enhance and which does enhance customer satisfaction. Customers appreciate timely deliveries and are more likely to be loyal to business that consistently meets or exceeds their expectation in a shorter time. Shorter the cycle time, Shorter cycle times make businesses more agile and responsive to changes in market demand. Rapid adaptation to market trends and customer preference becomes easier, allowing you to stay competitive and capture emerging opportunities. So that's a very important and strategic advantage. Reducing cycle time can result in cost saving through improved operational efficiencies. Streamlining processes, minimizing idle time, and optimize resource utilization contributes to overall cost reduction. So it's a kind of a win-win situation. Better customer service and lower costs, right? What more can you ask? Faster cycle time often leads to increased productivity as resources are utilized more efficiently. Processes become more streamlined and productions and service delivery pipeline operates more smoothly. So life is a lot more easier with lower cycle time. Shorter cycle time reduce the need for large inventory stockpiles. Businesses can adopt a more just-in-time approach, minimizing holding costs and the risk of obsolete inventory. So not only higher customer service, lower cost, but lesser investment because you are holding less inventory, right? In addition to this, faster cycle times provide a competitive edge in the market. Companies that can deliver products and services more quickly than competitors will attract more customers and gain a reputation for reliability and efficiency. A focus on reducing cycle time encourages a culture of innovation and continuous improvement within the organization because cycle time reduction requires innovation and continuous improvement. Teams are motivated to find more efficient ways of doing things leading to ongoing enhancements in processes and systems. Your processes become more lean and thin and far better. In some industries, regulatory requirements may demand timely delivery or adherence to specific timelines. Reducing cycle times helps businesses meet these regulatory obligations, avoiding potential penalties or compliance issues. So not only better customer service, lower cost, lower inventory, but better regulatory compliances as well. The pursuit of shorter cycle time often drives the adoption of new technologies and automation. Embracing technological advancements can lead to increased efficiency and competitive. In summary, reducing cycle time is not just about speed. It is a strategic imperative that contributes to customer satisfaction, cost savings, agility, and overall business success in a dynamic and a competitive marketplace. So, so what do we do next? Having looked at how we define cycle time of products and services and why should we focus on reducing cycle time of products and services, because this is not, many companies we don't do that. So we will now look at how to do this interesting and a very strategic task of reducing cycle time of products and services in the next lecture. Thank you so much for watching this first cycle time reduction lecture in this course, Operations and Supply Chain Management. I hope you continue to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions anytime. I'll be happy to answer a question, and also download the PDF file that you see in the resources attached to this lecture, so that anything that you want to go back and look at, you can look at more easily.